The biggest productivity killer for any team is having information scattered in too many places. Your plans are on a whiteboard, your documents are in one app, and your tasks are in another. There is a tool that aims to fix this by bringing everything into one single place. That tool is Confluence Whiteboards. Today we are reviewing how it connects your visual ideas to your real work. So what is Confluence Whiteboards? It is a digital whiteboard that lives directly inside of your Confluence pages. Its main purpose is to give teams who already use Confluence for their documentation a simple and convenient place to work on ideas visually without ever having to leave the app. You can create a new whiteboard just like you would create a new document. Its biggest advantage is that it is deeply integrated with the entire Atlassian ecosystem, especially with other popular tools like Jira. This makes it a very compelling choice for teams that already run their projects on Atlassian software. Confluence Whiteboards has all the essential features you would expect from a modern whiteboard. You have digital sticky notes, different shapes and connectors for building diagrams and flowcharts, and drawing tools. You can also embed other types of content like images and links, but its real power comes from its connection to Jira. You can easily import your Jira issues directly onto a whiteboard to plan out a project, or you can turn a sticky note on your whiteboard into a new Jira ticket with just one click. This seamless connection between visual planning and project management is the killer feature of this tool. Now let's look at the price, which is very generous if you are already in the Atlassian world. Confluence has an amazing free plan that allows up to 10 users and lets you have up to 3 active whiteboards. This is a fantastic way for small teams to get started. When you upgrade to their paid plans, the standard plan at just $5.16 per user per month and the premium plan at $9.73 per user per month, you get unlimited whiteboards along with many other powerful features for Confluence itself. They also offer a custom enterprise plan for large organizations. The key thing to understand is that the whiteboard feature is included as part of your main Confluence subscription. So what is my final review? If your team already uses Confluence for your documentation and Jira for your project management, then using Confluence Whiteboards is an absolute no-brainer. It is a powerful and convenient tool, and its deep integration with Jira can make your team's workflow much faster and more efficient. It is the perfect whiteboard for any team that lives inside the Atlassian ecosystem. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.